Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Let's start with dua for writing. The dua for writing is Bismillah, okay, Alhamdulillah, and then Subhanalladhi sakhara lana hadha wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. The text starting from Subhanalladhi sakhara lana hadha is from the two verses of Quran, Surah 43, verses 13 and 14. So Bismillah, Bismillah is in the name of Allah. Alhamdulillah, all praises and thanks are for Allah. Subhanalladhi sakhara lana hadha. What does that mean? Glory be to the one who made subservient for us this ride. Okay. Subhana means glory be, or free from defects is the one who. Subhana means free from defects. Alladhi, the one who. Sakhara means he made subservient. He put that thing in our service or gave us in control, but not necessarily everything. So he made those things to serve us. For example, Allah made Shams, the sun, also musakhar. Doesn't mean that I can control the sun, but he made the sun serve us. Okay, sakhara lana. Lana is for us. Okay, lana means for us. Hadha, this right. The message here is starting with Bismillah and Alhamdulillah. We say that, oh Allah, you have provided us with vehicles for transport, therefore we take your name and we praise you and thank you. That is Bismillah and Alhamdulillah. Subhanalladhi sakhara lana hadha. Allah is free from defects or shortcomings or weaknesses. After creating us, He did not forget our traveling needs. Okay? He provided us animals to travel or vehicles to travel and gave the ideas and materials to make cycles, motorcycles, cars, trains, ships and planes. He provided all those things which fulfill our requirements. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum